1989 Donruss wax pack box. I think I got this at McNulty Sports Cards. I don't remember. Although I think there was a price tag right there, so probably. But let's pull 2 packs out of the box, and the bottom is blank. One and 2. Now, we've been doing a lot of 89 Donruss in those 75 cardboard blister packs that we picked up from McNulty Sports Cards. Thought we'd change it up a little bit. Do a couple wax packs. 15 cards, so they kept the card count the same as 88 and 87. Let's see what we can find in this 89 wax pack. Puzzle piece for 1989 is Warren Spahn. We've got Gerald Young, and let's double check because we incurred some 2 cards that were damaged in the 87 wax packs right out of the pack. These cards look great. Got Gerald Young, Joe McGrain, Kevin Gross, Nick Esaski, Chris Brown, Candy Maldonado, Bob Walk, Joe Bolivar, Rick Sutcliffe, Bob Ojeda, Mickey Brantley, Tony Fernandez. What a phenomenal player he was, and I believe he played for Syracuse. I don't see it down there, but I thought maybe he did. I could be wrong, though. Kent Herbeck, Donruss Diamond King of Carlton Fisk. That's a good DK to get for sure. Jimmy Key, and very nice Kirby Puckett. Rest in peace to Kirby. We'll take that card. Let's go with pack number 2. Pack number 2 gives us another Warren Spahn puzzle piece. We also have Cecil Espy, rated rookie of Luis Medina, Gino Petrelli, Andy McGaffigan, Bob Welch, Pat Tabler, John Farrell, John Shelby, Rafael Santana, Ellis Burks, Walt Terrell, Paul Molitor. Very nice on the Paul Molitor. We'll take that. Dave Winfield with his MVP card. Very nice, and that's going to be a bonus card there. Tom Foley and Ken Williams. All right, so what did we get? Well, we picked up Dave Winfield's MVP. Very nice. Carlton Fisk's DK. We picked up Kirby Puckett. Rest in peace to him. And Paul Molitor. There you have it. A pair of 1989 Donruss 15 card wax packs from the box. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.